senior KG. In previous period, we have learned use of is and now we learn use of are. Use of are. Reductor means are may be used to ask question about many objects. Are may be used to ask question about many objects. जब हमें एक से ज्यादा ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में क्वेश्चन पूछना होता है उस टाइम पे हम आर यूज करते हैं. आर may also be used while replying about many objects. Are may also be used while replying about many objects. जब हमें एक से ज्यादा ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में बताना होता है उस टाइम पे भी हम आर यूज कर सकते हैं. बोथ टाइम when we ask about many objects, that time we use are. When we reply about many objects, that time we use are. Both time we use are. Now look here. Are these glasses? Are these glasses? No, these are not glasses. These are jugs. No, these are not glasses. These are jugs. Are these glasses? No. These are not glasses. These are jugs. Reductor means are these glasses? No. These are not glasses. These are jugs. Now look here. Here are jugs. When we ask about question these jugs, that time we say or use are these glasses? Here are glasses? No. That's why we reply no. These are not glasses. If there are glasses, that time we use yes. These are glasses, but here are only jugs. That's why we use no. These are not glasses. These are jugs. Now look here. Are these dogs? Look carefully. Are these dogs? No. These are not dogs. These are cats. These are not dogs. These are cats. No, these are not dogs. These are cats. These are not dogs. These are cats. Now look here. This is a picture of cats. When we ask about question, that time we use are these dogs? If there is dogs, that time we say yes, these are dogs, but here are no dogs. That's why we use no. These are not dogs. These are cats. These are cats. Now look here. Which picture is this? Which picture is this? This is a picture of insect. But when we ask about question, that time we use are these frogs? Look carefully. Are these frogs? No. These are not frogs. No. These are not frogs. These are insects. These are insects. If there is frog, that time we use yes, these are frogs. But here are no frogs. That's why we say no, these are not frogs. These are insects because here are insects. So we use these are insects or we say these are insects. Now look here. Which picture is this? This is a picture of basket. But here are question. Are these bags? Are these bags? No, these are no bags. These are baskets. No, these are not bags. These are baskets. If here are bags, we say these are bags. But here are no bags. Here are baskets. And question, are these bags? So, we reply, no, these are not bags. These are baskets. Now look carefully. How many objects here? More than one. Here also more than one object. Here also more than one object. And here also more than one object. That's why we use are. When we ask about question these objects, that time we use are. When we reply about these objects, that time we use are. Correct? Now, once again read after me. Are these glasses? No. These are not glasses. These are jugs. Are these dogs? No. These are not dogs. These are cats. Are these frogs? No. These are not frogs. These are insects. Are these bags? No. These are not bags. These are baskets. Students, this is your classroom today, and your today's homework is read and write. Read and write. Now look first. Which picture is this? This is the picture of jug. And then read this question. Are these glasses? If there are glasses, that time you say yes. These are glasses, but here no glasses. So we write here no. These are not glasses. These are not glasses. These are jugs. These are jugs. Solve all these questions in your notebook at your home.